Hey, do you know how to create a measures table on top of all the tables? That too with a measure symbol. Let's see how to do this. If you see the table starts with A comes on top, I'll create a new table. Click on enter data and create a new table. Measures table. Let's give the name as measures table. Click enter. Now it will create a new table with a empty column in, and you can see here now it's a normal table. If I click here and create a new measure, let me write the measure. Click enter. Now this has two things. One is a column and the other one is a measure. Let's delete the column. Now measure table came on top. Irrespective of table name, that even though the agent name starts with A, still the measure table is on top. That's it. Like and subscribe for more. Check the link for detailed playlist of Power BI videos. Thank you.